How to sign into Netflix app on your smart TV. So let's get started. Firstly, determine what kind of smart TV you have. The exact layout and interface of your smart TV can differ depending on the model or manufacturer. Many modern smart TVs have popular streaming devices built in such as Roku TV, Amazon Fire TV and Google TV. If your smart TV has one of these features, head to section on using a Roku, Google TV or Amazon Fire for more detailed information. Then, connect your TV to your home network. To stream Netflix from your smart TV, it will need to be connected to the internet. You will usually do this through Wi-Fi, but many TVs also support a wired connection. Then, open your smart TV apps. Now, open the Netflix app. It is a white icon that says Netflix in red letters. Use the arrow buttons on your TV remote to navigate the apps on your smart TV's user interface. Highlight the Netflix app icon and press the select, enter or OK button on your remote. Then, log in with your Netflix account. Use the on-screen keyboard to enter the email address and password associated with your Netflix account. Then select Sign In. Now, find and play the content. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.